Go home. I don't want to go back to America.
I see.
Yeah.
You want to stay in Africa?
I would love to stay
You
in
want
Ghana.
to stay in Ghana?
And Ghana specifically.
Akwaba, you're welcome.
Hello and welcome back to another episode. I am so happy and so blessed to have you on this channel. So in this episode, we have reacted to series of interesting but educated videos as well. Foreigners are loving Ghana and they say they will never go back to America. They love to be in Africa. They love to be in the motherland. And also there is this video that I have posted on this channel some time back, and the video is so touchy, it's so sad. You see how this African American woman visited Ghana, and upon sharing her experience in the interview granted, she was crying. She couldn't hold her tears. She wept whilst spitting out her encounter, what she felt when she visited Ghana, the museums, the slave castles, and Ghana has really performed miracles within her, and she can't hold it. She is spitting it out in tears. I can't wait to share with you. Share your comments, share your opinions at the comment section. So let's dive straight into the video, and then we will come back to react more as usual.
Every black person living should go to Ghana and see them slave castles so you can see what they did to us. You got to see what they did to us. You got to see how they built these dungeons underground and they put these churches on top and they dug holes in the ground to pump the music of what they call their Christianity into the holes while, man, they did. Let me explain something to y'all. They walk them as far as they can first to make them lose weight. They put them in a room, then they cut a door, and after you've been in this room in 2 weeks, they walk you through this door.
I can't explain it. I can't explain it.
Come on.
Okay. The people I saw, it was like, I have an uncle that looks like him, a grandmother that looks like that person. Everyone has just been wonderful. Jay has organized this in a way that I've never experienced. The history that I learned, which you think you know, you don't really know it all, So all the history, the places that we went to, it just had such a connection. And you think about what goes on in the U.S. You say, why am I here? Go to Ghana. Think about moving to Ghana. Have a connection with Ghana. So it really has been an emotional trip for me. The food was great. The hotel was great. The places that we traveled to, I mean, just everything. I can't say anything negative. All I can say is come and see for yourself. Truth is there when you come and see it for yourself. You never know enough, and I just wish them well, and all the people that I've met, the family that we have created, being among each other.
The people are so kind, so giving, so humble, so unpretentious. It just makes you say, this is what humanity is all about, And the food, I can't say enough about it. I thought I was going to lose about 10 pounds. I think I've gained about 20.
We aim to please.
And, the history, the experience, it just lets you know how much you don't know. It's been like an education for me, and I look forward to doing it again and coming back, because we got a general overview of everything. We got a little this, a little that, but next time I come back, I'm going to be more detailed and more organized and really seek out the things that I found to be more interesting than other things that we experience. And that's principally it. I'm sorry to leave at this particular point in time, but duty calls.
Each day I woke up and I had to say out loud, I'm in Africa. Because I don't know for sure if it's even sunk in or if I just feel comfortable here that it already feels like home, because I have to keep reminding myself I'm in Africa. It wasn't because of, smooth streets or
Not at all.
or a Ghana massage. Okay.
Smooth streets.
I'm happy here. I love the people. I love it's tiring.
When you say it's tiring, what do you mean?
It's tiring to worry about your son. It's tiring to go somewhere that you deserve to be.
Oh my God, guys, this video is very, very emotional. I can understand her pain because I've been to where the slavery took place also. I've been there. Like, it's very, very sad. I can imagine the trauma. I can imagine what they went through. This is really, really sad, guys. It's really, really sad. So I don't have anything much to say, but the only thing I will tell you guys is Ghana is a safe place for you to come. I feel so good seeing the Ghanaian government accepting the African Americans and other diaspora. A few days ago they were granted citizenship in Ghana. It's amazing. I love seeing Africans, coming together, loving each other, showing concern for one another. This is how everything should be. Look at an African American coming to Ghana, coming to Africa and appreciating everything, but we are here not appreciating what we have. Do you know how it feels for someone to be in a land that does not belong to him? For all I'm concerned, America is not for them. This is home. Africa is their home. It's beautiful that they have now realized and are now coming back home to where they will be loved, they will be appreciated. I can feel her pain. I can feel her pain, guys. I can feel her pain.
Yeah, so as we always do, if you love this video and like it, just give it a thumbs up. Also, be part of this community and this lovely family by subscribing. Click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you get notified. We have more projects and more videos for you. So let's stay tuned. See you in my next episode. I am out.